So now that you've installed the Capcut, let's now understand the interface. So when you open your Capcut for the first time, you will have this particular interface, but you may not have these projects down here. So these are the projects that I'm already working on. When you come here, you will see create projects. If you want to create a project, this is where you click to create a new project. If you want to use AI to make your video, you can also click here, AI video. Or you want to record screen, you can also record your screen here. So now let's enter into the video editor itself to see how the inside is and understand the features there. So if you click here, create projects. So this is the main editing workspace. In this workspace, we have different windows, and this is the preview window. So when you import your item here, you are going to use this preview window to see your item. In a couple of seconds, I will show you how to do that. And then down here, you have your timeline. This is where you are doing your job here. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's say we want to edit video on food. So we go to our file, then we import it. When you come here, the file that you import that you want to work on will appear here. So you use this particular window to see your items that you want to edit. So you can also add that item to the timeline. So the timeline is helping you to edit your footages. Let's say you can cut it if you want to cut it. You can trim it if you want to trim it. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to do all these things. So don't be afraid. As we work on it, you are going to understand it more clearly. Now, when you come to the left hand side, you will see other menus here. For example, we have here media. So the media consists of all the media that you want to use here, whether it is music, it is picture, or any kind of media that you want to use are under media here. And then this is audio. So if you want to import music to your editing, you can use audio. So here in audio, you have different musics. So if you want to select music, you can select any kind of music from here. And we also have sound effects. If you open the sound effects, you can see them here. So you can use any sound effects. And the sound effects are grouped into different categories. Let's say like trending, TikTok, new, and the rest. So you can also select anyone that you want. And after the audio, we also have here text. If you want to add text to your video, you can select it here. So this is your text. If you already have the text that you like, maybe your favorite text, you just select it. And this is the preset, the one that you also wrote down that you will use it another time. It's a preset. And then this is the text effects. If you want to add a different text effects, you can come here and you select it. There are a lot and a lot of it. And then we have here stickers. So if you want to add stickers to your video, you can come here. As you see, maybe you've seen something like this in the video when we are starting. So that is the sticker. You want to add the laughing face, you can add it here. You can drag it to your timeline, and then you see that it has been added. So these are the different stickers that you have. You want to add subscribe button. This is the subscribe button here, and different stickers. So you have effects. If you want to blur something, you can come here, you search for the effects, and you come here, blur, and you can blur your video. If you drag it down here to blur your video for you. So if you see here, the video is blurred. So now we have different effects. You can add these other effects. You see that is cool. So there are different effects. You just play around it and you add the one that you want to add. We also have here transitions. So the transition helps you to move from one particular scene to another. Click on it here and then you see how the transition will go and how it will affect your video. As you can see this one, you click on it, and when you click on it, allow it to download. After giving it a few seconds, it will show you how the transition will be. So we also have here caption. If you want to add caption to your video, you can click here, generate. If you have audio here, it's going to generate the captions for us here. We also have here filters. If you want to add filters so that you can change the way your photo is looking, you can come here and then you select the filter. As you can see, our video has been changed. Let's talk about this other side, the right hand side. So this is the video. So under the video, we have different features for the video. We have the scale. If you want to adjust the video here, you can increase it. We have animation, we have adjust, we have AI stylize. So this other panel has features that will affect this particular video that we have already dropped here. So when you use this panel to change anything here, it's going to affect this video that we are editing right here. So while this other side is giving you the information that you want to use. So remember, we said that this side is the timeline. So you do your editing jobs here. I hope that you are not confused, that you've gotten it exactly. So don't worry, as we are going into the job, you will see it, and it is very simple.